friends, in today's video we're going to be changing a handbrake cable on this Honda Jazz, and it's the right hand rear handbrake cable which is seized, and they failed it on MOT. So in order to change it, we need to take the whole center console out. Okay, so that's one of the grommet. What we do is we push the middle bit in and then just pull it out. Right, this is another grommet. So what we do is we push the middle bit in and then just pull it out nicely. So that's the two grommets off on both sides. So now we're going to move the seats forward, both of the seats, like this. And we're going to go at the back of the car. Right, so we'll remove this screw on the side. So there are two of them, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. Okay, so this is the left hand side one. Right, this is the right hand side one. I'm gonna remove. So there are two grommets at the front and two screws at the back, and this will release the whole center console out. Okay friends, now that we have removed the grommets and the screws, so we're gonna remove this trim here, this one here. And now we're just gonna pull the console out. So what we do here is just gonna pull it like this. So I'm just gonna unscrew the gear knob. There we go. There we go friends. This is how the whole center console comes out. So before I pull it out even more, I'm going to disconnect the cigar lighter connector. In fact, I don't need to remove the whole thing. I can just rest it here like that. Okay. Right. Okay, so this is the cable we need to change, the rear right hand side. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go at the rear wheel and disconnect the cable from that to release all the tension, and then I'm gonna remove it from here. Right, in order to get to the cable, we're gonna take the wheel off. Okay. Okay friends, now that I'm under the car, so we'll have to unclip the handbrake cable from here, just here, and then we need to remove 12mm nut just here. That's one of them. The other one, as you follow, the other nut is just here, and as I follow the cable, this is a clip here, plastic clip, this one brown one, and then it goes into the car, and there's a grommet there. So to start off with, I'm gonna remove this brown clip. I'm gonna be using a flathead screwdriver to break it open. Okay. There we go. So that's the clip removed. So now we'll have to remove this nut here. There we go. That's one of the nuts is out of the way, and the other clamp is just situated here, just here where my finger is. Again, it's proper rusty, so we're going to apply some WD-40 on it. Yeah, that's better. Right, there we go. This is the second clamp. Right friends, now we need to remove this clip to free the cable from here, from this clamp here. Okay, so for that we're going to be using a flathead screwdriver. Just going to apply some lubricant on it. There we go, simple as that. There we go, this is our clip. So now we want to release this cable from here. So for that I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver again to release the tension. And the way I'm releasing the tension is by removing the spring. Okay, so what I'm doing here is removing the whole spring like this. That's the spring out of the way. Right, just going to remove the clip here like this, and that's how you pull the cable out of here. Right, I'm gonna put the spring back. There you go, that's the spring back in place. Just gonna push it up a bit. Right, so now we're gonna release the cable from here. Just like that, and then that's the grommet. So there we go, just gonna push it down. Just gonna pull out the old cable. Right friends, this is our old cable, the faulty one, and this is the new one. We got this one from our local auto part shop for £35. Okay, so that's what we're gonna install. Right, just gonna route it through. Okay friends, so just gonna push it in. So that's where it goes inside the car. There's a grommet as well. And now we're gonna clip this first point just here, just gonna push it in. There we go, that's nicely clipped in. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna push the cable back a bit, all the way back, and so we're gonna slide it through here, and then gonna pull it out, pull it again like this. Okay, so this goes here. So we're almost done here, so we're just gonna go under the car now. Now we're gonna do the first clamp. So the first clamp goes in like this, and it's a 12mm nut to secure it. Right, there we go. That's the first clamp in place. Right friends, just gonna do the bracket here on the rear axle. There we go. That's that nicely secured. So just gonna push the cable in from this hole here. Okay friends, now I'm gonna fit the Omega clamp. Just gonna push it in. That's fully in. In order to slide this side onto the caliper, I'm gonna release the spring again. Just gonna remove it. Just like that. There we go. Perfect. Okay, simple as that. Yeah. Right, there we go. Just gonna clip it in here. There we go, that's the spring fitted nicely. So just gonna do final adjustment here. There we go friends, that's about done. So now we're gonna test the operation of it by pulling it. Right friends, just gonna fit the center console back to where it came from. Right, that's how it goes in. Just like this. the front clips in like this. Okay. This cover goes here. One clip goes here. There we go. Just gonna push in the pin. Okay, one clip goes there, just here. There we go. Just gonna push in the pin. Just gonna fit the gear knob. There we go. That's good enough. Right, just gonna fit the back screws. Okay, so that's the left hand side. One goes on the right hand side. Right friends, now that we have fitted the new handbrake cable, so we're just gonna put the wheel back on. Thank you very much for watching the video.